You should have your property inspected for mold anytime after you've had some water damage or before or after selling the property. So when we come out, we're looking for those visual signs first. The second thing that we're going to look for is moisture inside of the home because most mold is preceded by water damage. The last step is by employing the use of a certified industrial hygienist who will come out and take air samples that will be analyzed inside of a laboratory. The biggest areas or culprits for this water damage typically happen in areas that we don't see every day, behind refrigerators and underneath sinks where we may not be inspecting for these things on a regular basis. We utilize plastic, hermetically sealed chambers to section off those areas before we begin demolition. After everything has been removed, we will run HEPA-equipped air filtration devices inside of that hermetically sealed chamber to remove any remaining mold spores from the air. If you suspect or see mold inside of your property, we're available 24/7, 365 and ready for your call.